Erectile dysfunction is a deeply personal struggle that many men face in silence. It's not just a physical issue, it can affect confidence, relationships, and emotional well-being. In fact, it's a condition that affects over 322 million men worldwide, and that number is projected to skyrocket to over 370 million by 2025, according to the World Health Organization and various urological studies. In the United States alone, about 30 million men experience some form of erectile dysfunction, and it's estimated that 1 in 4 new cases occur in men under 40. These numbers are staggering, and they highlight how deeply this issue cuts across age, culture, and lifestyle. While medications like Viagra have become household names, not everyone wants to rely on pharmaceuticals. For those looking for more natural solutions, essential oils have emerged as a compelling option. Known for their wide-ranging therapeutic properties, these plant-based extracts may support sexual health in powerful and surprising ways. But can a few drops of aromatic oil really make a difference? The answer lies in understanding how essential oils work, not only on the body but also on the mind. Erectile dysfunction is often a complex condition tied to physical, psychological, and emotional factors. Essential oils, with their ability to improve circulation, reduce stress, balance hormones, and increase libido, may offer gentle yet effective support. In this video, we'll explore the best essential oils for treating erectile dysfunction, how they work, and the most effective ways to use them. Whether you're struggling with performance issues or simply looking to enhance your intimacy naturally, this video will provide the insights you need to begin your journey toward healing and vitality. Now, let's begin. 1. Lavender oil. Lavender is one of the most well-known essential oils for relaxation, and that's exactly where its power lies when it comes to erectile dysfunction. Stress, anxiety, and performance pressure are major psychological contributors to erectile dysfunction. Lavender oil's calming properties help relax the nervous system, lower cortisol levels, and create a sense of peace that is crucial for sexual performance. Research has shown that inhaling lavender oil can reduce heart rate, lower blood pressure, and even improve sleep, all of which can indirectly help with erectile dysfunction. When the mind is calm and the body is rested, it's easier for arousal and desire to take root. Using lavender oil can be as simple as diffusing it in the bedroom before intimacy or diluting it with a carrier oil for a relaxing massage. This dual effect of emotional soothing and physical relaxation can help remove mental barriers to arousal and improve overall sexual experience. 2. Ginger oil. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its ability to warm the body, stimulate circulation, and increase libido. Ginger essential oil brings all those benefits in a concentrated form. It improves blood flow, reduces inflammation, and can enhance nitric oxide production, a molecule essential for erections. Men with erectile dysfunction related to cardiovascular issues or diabetes may find ginger oil particularly helpful. Its warming effect promotes vasodilation, or widening of blood vessels, which is essential for getting and sustaining an erection. Ginger also boosts testosterone levels, which may improve overall sexual desire. Using ginger oil in a warming massage blend is an effective way to enjoy its benefits. When combined with oils like cinnamon or black pepper, it can create a sensual, stimulating experience that supports both physical and emotional intimacy. 3. Rose oil. Rose oil is considered one of the most emotionally healing essential oils. It's particularly useful for men experiencing erectile dysfunction due to emotional trauma, anxiety, or relationship stress. The gentle aroma of rose oil helps open the heart, soothe tension, and enhance feelings of intimacy and love. Beyond its emotional benefits, rose oil also has mild stimulant effects that increase circulation and sensitivity in the erogenous zones. This makes it ideal for use during sensual massage, where it not only supports arousal but also promotes bonding between partners. Because rose oil is expensive, it's often blended with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. A small amount can go a long way. Using rose oil in this way transforms intimacy from a mechanical process to a deeply emotional experience, which can be life-changing for men struggling with the psychological toll of erectile dysfunction. 4. Ylang Ylang oil. Ylang Ylang is an exotic, floral-scented essential oil prized for its aphrodisiac properties. It doesn't just smell alluring, It may directly affect the hormones and neurotransmitters involved in sexual desire and function. Traditionally used in many cultures to promote romance and intimacy, Ylang Ylang oil stimulates the senses and helps elevate mood. What makes this oil particularly powerful for men with erectile dysfunction is its mood-enhancing and confidence-boosting effects. Low self-esteem and depression are frequently overlooked causes of erectile dysfunction. Ylang Ylang helps foster a sense of sensuality, reduces feelings of shame or inadequacy, and supports emotional openness during intimate moments. Massage is an ideal way to use Ylang Ylang for erectile dysfunction. When diluted and rubbed into the skin, particularly around areas of tension like the shoulders, back, or thighs, it creates both physical relaxation and emotional bonding. It can also be added to bathwater or diffused for an intoxicating atmosphere that encourages closeness and desire. 5. Sandalwood oil. Sandalwood essential oil has a deep, earthy aroma that has long been associated with grounding and spiritual connection. But it also has impressive benefits when it comes to sexual health. Sandalwood's calming, centering effects help reduce stress while also promoting testosterone production, which is vital for a healthy libido and erectile function. Sandalwood works on multiple levels. It reduces anxiety, improves focus, and stimulates the limbic system, the part of the brain that controls emotions and arousal. It's also believed to support the endocrine system, which helps regulate hormones that influence sexual health. When used consistently, sandalwood can help restore a healthy balance between mind and body, allowing sexual desire and function to flourish. Applying sandalwood oil during meditation or deep breathing exercises can also enhance mindfulness, helping men reconnect with their bodies and reduce stress-related erectile dysfunction. 6. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is known for its invigorating scent and cooling sensation, but it also has a role to play in supporting erectile function. Its active ingredient, menthol, helps stimulate blood flow and improve circulation, one of the most critical physical aspects of maintaining an erection. While peppermint is not a traditional aphrodisiac, its stimulating effects can boost energy, alertness, and blood supply to the pelvic area. This can make it easier to achieve and maintain an erection, especially for men whose erectile dysfunction is linked to poor circulation or fatigue. To use peppermint oil, it should always be diluted before application, as it can be intense on the skin. Massaging it into the lower back, thighs, or even feet can promote whole body circulation. Some men also find inhaling it before intimacy enhances energy and focus. 7. Clary sage oil. Clary sage oil is known for balancing hormones and reducing stress, two powerful ways to support men with erectile dysfunction. It works on the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis, which regulates hormone production, including testosterone. This makes it useful for men whose erectile problems are linked to hormonal imbalances. Clary sage is also mildly euphoric. It lifts mood, promotes relaxation, and helps dissolve performance anxiety. For men who find themselves overthinking or worrying during intimate moments, clary sage can be a game changer. It can be diffused in the bedroom, added to a bath, or applied, diluted, to pulse points or the lower abdomen. Its calming and balancing nature makes it ideal for use in the evening, helping set the stage for more relaxed, intimate experiences. 8. Neroli oil. Neroli, derived from orange blossoms, is an oil with a sweet, citrusy aroma that's known for calming the nerves and boosting sexual desire. It has mild sedative properties that ease anxiety and restlessness while also supporting hormone regulation and circulation. For men with erectile dysfunction caused by emotional or stress-related issues, neroli oil creates a mood of calm confidence and arousal. It also helps reduce cortisol levels and increase serotonin, two important neurochemicals involved in arousal and mood regulation. Neroli works beautifully in aromatherapy, particularly in combination with Ylang Ylang or rosé. You can also add a few drops to massage oil or apply it to your temples or chest to ease nerves and increase emotional openness. Essential oils are powerful, but they must be used correctly to be both safe and effective. Here are the top methods. 1. Aromatherapy. Diffusing essential oils into the air using a diffuser is a simple way to affect mood and emotions. This method is especially useful for oils like lavender, rose, and neroli that work on psychological aspects of erectile dysfunction. 2. Massage. Diluting essential oils with a carrier oil and massaging them into the skin enhances blood flow and creates intimacy. Diluting essential oils with a carrier oil and massaging them into the skin enhances blood flow and creates intimacy. Good areas to focus on include the back, thighs, abdomen, and chest. 3. Bath blends. Adding a few drops of essential oil to a warm bath can relax the body and calm the mind, preparing both for intimacy. Always mix the oils with a carrier like milk or Epsom salts before adding them to water. 4. Inhalation. Direct inhalation from the bottle or from a handkerchief can provide immediate calming effects. This is great for on-the-spot anxiety relief or to stimulate arousal before intimacy. Safety precautions. Point 1. Always dilute essential oils before applying to skin. 2. Do a patch test to check for allergies or sensitivities. 3. Avoid sensitive areas, especially genitals, unless directed by a professional. 4. Consult your doctor if you have underlying health conditions, especially heart or hormonal issues. 5. Never ingest essential oils unless under guidance from a qualified healthcare provider. Erectile dysfunction is a multifaceted condition, one that affects not just the body, but the mind and soul. While medications can treat the symptom, essential oils offer a more holistic approach that targets root causes like stress, poor circulation, hormonal imbalance, and emotional disconnect. Nature has always offered solutions to our deepest struggles. Essential oils are part of that ancient wisdom, helping restore balance, vitality, and connection in ways that synthetic drugs often cannot. If you're looking for a gentle yet powerful way to support your sexual health, essential oils may be the natural key you've been searching for. It's time to rewrite the narrative around erectile dysfunction, from shame and secrecy to healing and hope. One drop at a time. Have you tried essential oils before? Let us know in the comments which ones work best for you, or if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.